What's up, Polygon and Matic token holders and money makers? Welcome back to the channel. We are hitting all-time high. Polygon is all-time high with 5.70%. We hit $2.72. It's 24 hours high and low, as you can see here. And that is also all-time high for 52-week. You can see that Polygon is hitting highs $2.72. I have been telling you guys before a week that Polygon is going to explode when Polygon was $1.50. We doubled your money, so congratulations, you support Polygon. Hit that little like button so this video can reach to more and more people. If you don't want to miss out on Polygon videos and many other cryptocurrency, the second token that I'm going to tell you is VeCHAIN. You want to really be very careful with VeCHAIN because it can explode 10x, and mark my words, we'll talk when it hits 10x, when it hits 80 cents. But let's go back to Polygon. We talked about Polygon will explode. We talked also about all-time high. I already talked to you before a couple of days that Matic is going to hit all-time high. Our prediction was $3. We are going to precisely hit $3. I'll share that back with you. Now, what are the reasons why Polygon is hitting all-time high? This video will cover two particular things that is bringing a lot of momentum, why Polygon is overperforming amongst the other altcoins for last 7 days. We'll talk about the crypto fear and greed index as well. We were yesterday in fear with the index of 45. Right now, we went down towards fear a bit and we are at 34. I believe that this is going to come back to 60 very soon, and at that point, you'll see Bitcoin is going to hit $55,000. Take a look right here. This is not just the Christmas rally. We'll see more as to what is coming, what the future brings to us. But Bitcoin has started leading the charts, $50,600, 3.90% up, 5.35% up in last 7 days. By the way, if you did not click that like button, hit the like button. That helps out the channel, that helps out the Polygon Matic token holders, spreading this news around. And we are also going to share what is precisely driving the force behind Polygon. I'll share that with you in a second. If you don't want to miss out future videos, hit that subscribe button. Also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out. But take a look, Ether is 4,100, we're back up. But Polygon is something I want to talk about. We are 25% up, ladies and gentlemen. Take a look, 25% up in last 7 days, 5% up today, all-time high. I couldn't be happier. Now, take a look, fear and greed index. When the market is fearful, you want to be greedy and buying Polygon. Now, I'm not saying buy Polygon at this point. You do your own due diligence. This is not a financial advice or any sort of advice to buy or sell. But what I have done for myself is, this is not the price. This is the price that I'm going to watch pretty closely and see what Polygon brings us next. Now, why this is very important, if you take a look, Polygon spiked up. We saw the volume spike. Let me show you the 7-day. And by the way, this is the Polygon chart. Take a look, $2.70, 5.70. We saw the spike last 7 days. The volume is going into northward in the upside direction, which is something I love to see all the time. Volume is up 11% or 12% rather in last 24 hours. $3.6 billion volume, a massive volume. I have been talking to you guys that it is hitting a newer and newer highs as well as higher and higher lows, which is once again a very bullish pattern that you can see whenever any cryptocurrency, any stock, any penny stocks are hitting higher and higher lows. That's once again a great sign. Particularly for Polygon, it has gained 17,600% just in 1 year. Think about it. How big of a return that is. $1 turns into $176. $100 turns into $17,600 just in 1 year. So congrats to you if you made it. Polygon is a currency that has been going higher and higher. Let's talk about what's driving the force. Now, what is driving the force? Why Polygon went 15% just within a couple of days? There are two reasons. The first one is the trading volume went up. But what is the particular reason? The one is Uniswap, which is right now the ecosystem Uniswap. You already know that blockchain protocol and decentralized application, the app Uniswap is now live on Polygon. So more and more people will be trading, and it is interacting with more and more traders. One of the big into the industry, and the second one is Opera web browser is integrating Polygon into its services as well, which is the driving force. Now Polygon has hoped to prominent with Web 3.0. You might have seen the CEO talked about this as well, Sandeep, and a further future decentralization internet with more and more advanced open source services, full-blown digital economy. Polygon touts being Ethereum's internet of blockchain. Now, it is amazing that you can also hedge against Ethereum if you are believing into Ether a lot, and Ether is already all-time high. It is not all-time high, but it's $4,100, and not many people can afford at this point. So that your option is Polygon. Now, more projects are building into Ethereum's network. Polygon saw the need to build a framework that improves their weaknesses. Now, when you do about strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat analysis, and that is precisely also pretty relevant to the cryptocurrency. On the top of that, it will help connect ever-expanding ecosystem for developers and the apps. Unisystem, which is one of the DSwap app economics, which is a big deal for, but Opera, it is kind of hundreds of millions of users that build cryptocurrency wallet, and it is going to be very, very significant. Opera users will be able to access the apps like SushiSwap and other ones like OpenSea, so on and so forth, using this mobile device's web browser with this integration. Now, what is next? What is next is Web 3.0. We talked about that. Every day it becomes a reality. It is going to be massive. Why Uniswap is creating waves? Because Uniswap launches on Polygon, which is driving Matic to all-time highs. Many people are talking about, and this just happened within the last 24 hours. If you think about what happened in the last couple of months, the one thing is $400 million acquisition with Mir protocol and Mir technology. We saw that Sand is also staking is available on Sandmatic for Matic tokens. Swap is also available, one-stop shop that we have seen that you can use Polygon's wallet internally, transact currency or transfer currencies internally. So that's one of the bigger thing. Mir protocol, we talked about that. We talked about the burn rate as well, that Polygon is going to burn out 0.27% within 1 year. That's an annual burn rate, as we know. So it is no longer it's a currency. It's now officially deflating cryptocurrency. What I like to see about Polygon, though, precisely, I wanted to share real quick with you while we are here. We are circulating supply is 7.1 billion, which is massive. Second thing you want to notice is max supply is 10 billion. And if they burn with 0.27% on an annualized basis, it's going to decrease the supply. Now, supply chain management, as you know, supply versus demand. If there is more demand, less supply, price tends to go up, which is precisely going to happen with Polygon. And I wanted to refresh this real quick and see if it is hitting any more than that. Yes, it hit 2.73. Very nice. So what I'm trying to go back to is this Opera ICE Polygon for the next mobile wallet integration as well, which is once again massive. This developer plans to support transaction in Polygon's Matic from Q1. If you take a look at this chart, we want to take a look at this chart. When I talked about Polygon lastly, and when I said explode, we saw that 1.41, 1.42. Since then, we doubled the investment, 2.80. It's almost doubled, and it took just 4 to 5 days. So you want to be laser focused. That's why I'm saying hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't want to miss out. There is an opportunity in whether you're thinking about stocks or crypto, there is an opportunity. There will always be catalyst. One of the catalysts for Polygon is it's an early time. It has gained 17%, more than 17,000%, more than 17,000%. If you take a look for Polygon for all time, the ROI is massive. I can't really imagine this big of an ROI. And why this is important, the ROI is almost 60,000%. Why this is important, not about any meme coin or meme cryptocurrency, because part of the reason is it is solving a real world's problem on a blockchain. 2.71. I love to see. I want to see really while I'm doing this video if it hits 275. I'll be super excited, super happy. I'm happy for you guys as well, you who doubled your money. Watch out these videos. I'll be sharing more and more information. So once again, Uniswap is one of this thing that is driving the force. Second one is Opera, Ice, Polygon, and the mobile wallet integration. We already talked about 174. Now if you take a look, once again, it is going all-time high. Where Polygon will go from here? Now this is becoming a newer territory. What I'm going to analyze in moving in future is what is another support level. If it peaks and if it goes down, we want to find out what is the next new support level. I have no doubt that Polygon can hit $5 because it's 2x return on the investment in 2022. I totally believe that, but don't take my words as granted. You do your own due diligence, because I'm not a financial advisor nor I'm a certified professional, but I want you to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. Let's track it as it goes all-time high. It creates newer high. Let's celebrate together. I just wanted to share this information with you. I will be back when I have more news on Polygon. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.